Hi guys, so welcome back to my channel. Adiachi here, Naturallyads on YouTube. So in today's video I'm planning for the week beginning July 26th to the 1st of August using this kit from PlannerPixieCo called Pink Sands. I am matching it with some rose gold foil from PlannerPixieCo and Olive Studio. So if you haven't already, make sure you subscribe to my channel before you leave and turn on the bell to be notified every single time I upload. So in this week I was 9 weeks pregnant, and obviously right now I have almost 1 month old baby. And my baby is with me, so if you hear any background noise, that's him. So yeah, I will, as usual, I'll let you guys go ahead and watch me lay down my base, and I'll be back for the day by day. Enjoy. So now for the day by day, start with Monday. At the top of Monday, I used a alarm clock icon from the kit and an up early script from Planner Hannah to note that I woke up early. I then use a house full icon. I don't remember where it's from, it's just a leftover one, to note going to my mum's house. I then use a sleeping girl from Papershire to note taking a nap. So this was the summer holiday and I was pregnant, so I did a lot of sleeping this day. Oh, sorry, you hear my baby with gas. Then I used a film roll icon from the kit and a film videos custom from Planner Hannah to note filming some videos. Down to the bottom half, I used this TV sticker. I don't remember what shop this is from though, to note watching Love is Blind. I then used a Planner Hannah film clapper sticker to note a Plan With Me Binge. The Plan With Me Binge is a custom script from Bella Pan Ella, who I do PR for. I think I'm still on her PR scheme. I think my code might still work. Using the code ADIATU15 to get 15% off. So try it and let me know if it works for you guys. I then used this sticker sheet sticker. I think it's from Planner Face, and a pull stickers custom script from Bella Pan Ella to note pulling stickers. And then I used a Starbucks drink and a Starbucks script. I think the script is from SCPC to note a Starbucks run. Moving on to Tuesday, I used a Whimsical Cat Studio Girl and a So Tired custom script from Bella Pan Ella to note being super duper tired. Then use a house icon to note going to my mum's house again. And then I used a Whimsical Cat Studio Lazy Girl sticker and a Lazy Day script from Adorably Amy Designs to note having a lazy day. I then used this like kebab or like skewer sticker from Planner Hannah to note having some kebab. I'm about to Plan With Me Binge the same way I had on Monday. And then I use a TV icon. I believe that one's from Murdoch Talks. I recognise that. To note watching more Love is Blind. I then use a PS5 controller and a Babe Gaming custom script from Bella Pan Ella to note my husband gaming. This is in a half box extender that comes in the PlannerPixieCo kits. I almost didn't realise because it's so flat now. The PS5 controller sticker is from the same shop that the TV is from, and I still can't remember the name of that shop, sorry. Then inside the extender, I use this couple sticker from Whimsical Cat Studio and a Love Island custom script from Bella Pan Ella to note watching Love Island. I then used a YouTube Play button sticker from that same shop and a YouTube Binge custom script from from Planner Hannah to note a YouTube Binge. And I think the YouTube Play button, the PS5 controller and the TV sticker is from a shop called Sticky Perks. I think that's what it's called, but if I'm wrong, I apologise. Moving on to Wednesday. At the top of Wednesday, I use a Papershire Nana to note a lazy morning. A lazy morning is a custom script from I believe it was from Kinsey's Creation, who's not open anymore. I then used another house icon to note going to my mum's house. I don't know why I marked it because I went there every day, but yeah, it's there. Then I used this like noodles like take-out sticker. I think it's from the Mr. and Mrs. Mintco to note eating some Chinese. Then I used this sticker, like Happy Meal sticker, which might have been from the kit, or it might have been a leftover icon from, what's that shop called? Oh my god, I can't even say pregnancy brain because I'm not pregnant anymore, but I think baby brain stays with you. It is called Paper Sheet Plans, that's what it's called. And a Happy Meal custom script from Planner Hannah to note getting Happy Meal. Then mark put in stickers the same way I did on Monday. I then used this like phone icon from the kit to note speaking to my brother. And then I used another half box extender, which I kind of didn't do so well, but I used it. On the top of it, I used this rainy cloud sticker to note it was a rainy day, and the sticker is from Lily's Desk. Inside that extender, I used a GP Studio Girl to note doing my hair. And then I noted a Plan With Me binge using the same stickers I had the previous day, and then I noted my observation with a paper shire sticker with Nana holding a baby and an observation custom script from Ella Plan Ella. Moving on to Thursday. So on the top of Thursday, I used a Mixie Cat stuff like toast sticker and a tea script from Randy.plans to note having toast and tea for breakfast. I then marked a hair appointment with a girl from Valley and Tuma and an appointment script from a leftover foil bundle. Then I used a TV icon from the kit to note watching Love is Blind again. I then marked eating kebab with this chicken sticker from Papershire. Down to the bottom half, I used another Papershire Sleepy Nana and a super tired script from Olive Studio to note being really tired. I used this PS4 TV from the Sticky Perks and a Babe Gaming custom from Planner Hannah to note my husband was gaming. Then used the TV sticker from Sticky Perks and Love Island custom script from Planner Hannah to note watching Love Island, and then I marked a Plan With Me binge the same way I had the rest of the week with Bella Plan Ella and a Planner Hannah combo. Moving on to Friday. At the top of Friday, I used a stack of folded laundry. I don't know where all of these stickers are from, to be honest with you. Sorry. To note that what day is this? Friday. I was packing my bag. Oh, I went to go visit my mother-in-law this weekend, so I was packing my bags this day. I then used a Mixie Cat stuff petrol sticker to note getting some petrol because I was driving out of London. I then used this house sticker from the Honey Bee shop to note going to my mum's house. I then used this Vanilla and Bear family sticker and a family time custom script from from Planner Hannah to note family time because my cousins had come over and then I told them that I was pregnant this day. Then I used this gift box sticker from the kit and a Happy Mail custom script from Planner Hannah to note getting some Happy Mail. I then used this praying hand sticker from the Modest Cat to note we went for Jumma prayer. Then I used this blow dry sticker from the kit to note doing my hair, finishing it off. Then use a car sticker from the kit to note driving to where my mother-in-law lives, which I don't think I should disclose. Then I use a TV forward icon and a Love Island script from Bella Pan Ella to note watching more Love Island. Moving on to Saturday, I used another Nana sleeping sticker and a sleeping script from Bella Pan Ella. No, from Planner Hannah. I'm so used to saying Bella Pan Ella. This was kind of probably when I got new Happy Mail, so that's why I have so many new scripts here. To note sleeping in, and then I marked buying more stickers with a laptop sticker from a kit and a buy more stickers script from Planner Face to note buying some stickers. I then used a TV icon to note watching. What did I watch? I don't know what that is to mark watching. Maybe it's to mark watching the Rap Game UK. Then I used this couple sticker from Papershire to note Snuggles. The Snuggle script is from Planner Hannah. I then used this back pain girl from the Whimsical Cat Studio to note some cramps. The cramp script is a custom from Bella Plan Ella. I then used that family time sticker again from Papershire and a family time script from Planner Hannah to note having family time with my in-laws. Then I used a movie marquee at the bottom with a couple sticker from the Whimsical Cat Studio to note that we watched The Matrix 2 and 3. On the first Sunday, the 1st of August, which was the Sunday, I marked sleeping in with a sleeping script from Planner Hannah and a JD and Brooklyn girl. I marked Plan With Me binge the same way that I had the rest of the week. I then marked having cramps with this Joy of Planning girl. This is part of like the period sheet, but I thought, I'm confused. Was I pregnant this week? Yes, I was. I was confused. But the last time I went to see my mother-in-law was the last period I had, so I thought that I mixed up the weeks, but no, I didn't. I had cramps. The cramp script is a custom from Bella Pan Ella. Then I used this fork and spoon sticker to note eating my mother-in-law making us some breakfast. Then I used this sweet, what's it called? Sweet Quiet Design, that hair appointment sticker, no appointment script to note doing my mother-in-law's hair, even though it was an appointment. I just marked it that way. Then I used this Stuck in Your Designs girl on a couch and a so tired script from Bella Panella to note being super duper tired. I used this Whimsical Cat Studio couple in a car to note driving back, and then a pizza sticker from the kit to note having some pizza. The pizza night script is a custom from Bella Panella. So I finished just in time. So as usual, I'm going to show you guys a little bit of a wiggle and show you all my foldables. So this is what's left of the kit. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Be sure to give me a thumbs up if you liked it and comment down below what you thought of this video, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.